You're on the job site and you need to cut through metal piping for plumbing work. You reach for your angle grinder, but which disc should you use? That's a question many contractors face. With over a dozen types of grinder discs available, knowing which one to choose can save you time and money. Let's start with the cutting disc. Cutting discs are among the most common and are used to slice through metal. They're typically 1/16 to 1/8 inch thick and are made of abrasive grains bonded together. A popular choice is the DeWalt D-Wato 6-2, which costs around $2 per disc. It's perfect for cutting through steel and stainless steel, but make sure to use a steady hand and avoid applying too much pressure. The common mistake is using these discs for grinding, which can wear them down quickly and lead to uneven cuts. Next, we have the grinding disc. Unlike cutting discs, grinding discs are thicker, about 1/4 inch, and designed to remove material quickly. They're great for smoothing out welds or removing rust. The Makita 741413A is a solid choice, priced around $3 each. It provides excellent durability and is designed for long-term use. The mistake here is using a grinding disc for cutting, which is inefficient and can overheat your tool. Flap discs are the next on our list. They combine the functions of grinding and finishing in one. The overlapping layers of abrasive cloth make them ideal for smoothing out rough edges and preparing surfaces for painting. The 3M Cubitron 296C7A, priced at about $10 each, is a top performer, offering both longevity and a fine finish. Contractors often overlook that flap discs wear down faster than traditional grinding discs, so always have extras on hand. Wire wheels and brushes come into play when you're working with rust or paint removal. These are made of wire bristles and can be found in different forms, such as cup brushes or wheel brushes. The DeWalt DW4904, priced at around $8, is a reliable option for cleaning and surface preparation. However, remember that wire wheels can throw off pieces of wire during use, so wearing safety goggles is a must. Then there are diamond discs, primarily used for cutting through hard materials like concrete and tile. Their edges are embedded with diamond grit, making them durable and efficient. The Bosch D703S, which costs about $30, is excellent for masonry work. A common mistake is using a diamond disc on metal, which can quickly dull the disc and reduce its effectiveness. But here's the one most guys overlook, the sanding disc. These are perfect for woodwork and finishing. The Norton 27654, priced at about $5, offers a smooth surface finish. Sanding discs come in various grits, so select the right one based on the finish you need. Avoid the error of using too coarse a grit for fine finishing, which can cause more damage than good to the wood surface. Polishing discs are essential for anyone working with metal or stone surfaces that need a high gloss finish. These discs often use felt or foam and are used with polishing compounds. The Griot's Garage 10631, at about $12 each, is excellent for achieving a mirror finish. Don't forget to clean the surface thoroughly before polishing, as any leftover debris can scratch the surface during the process. Finally, there are stripping discs made from a type of non-woven nylon impregnated with abrasive material. These are used for removing paint, rust, and other coatings without damaging the underlying surface. The Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip XT Pro, which costs around $15, is a popular choice. The mistake to avoid here is using these discs on high-speed grinders, which can lead to overheating and reduced lifespan. In practical terms, for metal cutting, stick with the DeWalt DW806-2 cutting disc at $2 per disc. For grinding, the Makita 741413A grinding disc at $3 each is your best bet. If you're prepping a surface for painting, the 3M Cubitron 2967A flap disc at $10 is worth the investment. For those tackling masonry, the Bosch DB743S diamond disc at $30 will get the job done. And for wood finishing, the Norton 27654 sanding disc at $5 is indispensable. We stock cutting discs, grinding discs, flap discs, and more at punchlistsupply.com, link in the description. Hit subscribe to stay updated on the best tools and tips for every job site.